Hey everyone! Tonight we're talking about something truly inspiring, blind cricket. You heard that right? Cricket played by individuals who are visually impaired. It's a testament to the human spirit, a game where passion and skill conquer any obstacle. Blind cricket shows us that sports can be a universal language, spoken not just with sight but with sound, touch, and pure heart. Now you might be wondering, how does one play cricket without sight? It's a fair question. Blind cricket is a unique and captivating adaptation of the traditional game, using sound and tactile cues to guide the players. It's a symphony of jingling balls, wooden bats, and the cheers of the crowd, all coming together in a display of athleticism and determination. Whether you're a die-hard cricket fan or new to the game, the stories of these athletes will leave you amazed. We'll hear about their journeys, their challenges, and their incredible triumphs on the pitch. Get ready to be inspired. The roots of blind cricket run deep, stretching back to the 19th century. Picture this, 1880s England. Two men, both visually impaired, are enjoying a casual game of cricket. They use a tin can filled with rocks to track the ball's sound. This simple act of ingenuity sparked a movement, word spread, and soon, more visually impaired individuals were joining in. The game evolved, rules were formalized, and the first blind cricket clubs began to emerge. By 1922, the first international blind cricket match took place, forever etching this incredible sport into history. From those humble beginnings, blind cricket has blossomed into a global phenomenon, played in over 30 countries worldwide. It's a testament to the enduring power of sport to unite and inspire, regardless of physical limitations. While cricket might not be as popular in the US as it is in other parts of the world, blind cricket found fertile ground to grow. In the 1990s, the seeds of blind cricket were sown in the USA, thanks to the passion and dedication of a few individuals who believed in the power of the game to empower the visually impaired. One of the key figures in this movement was Don Curry, a blind athlete who discovered blind cricket while visiting England. Inspired by what he saw, Curry returned to the US with a mission to bring this incredible sport to America. Through his tireless efforts, the first blind cricket team in the USA was formed in 1997. Since then, the sport has steadily gained momentum, with more teams and players joining the ranks every year. The USA Blind Cricket Association, USBCA, was established, providing structure and support for the growing blind cricket community. Section 4. See the sound, feel the boundary, the rules of blind cricket. Okay, so, how exactly does blind cricket work? It's similar to traditional cricket with a few key adaptations. First, the ball. It's much larger and heavier than a regular cricket ball, and most importantly, it's filled with ball bearings. Why? To make it audible. Players can track the ball's location by its distinct jingling sound. Second, the pitch. It's a shorter and wider surface, making it easier for players to navigate. The boundary lines are marked with ropes, allowing players to feel their way around. Third, the bowling. Bowlers must bowl underarm, rolling the ball along the ground to make it easier for the batsman to hit. They also have to call out play before releasing the ball, giving the batsman an auditory cue. Finally, the scoring. Runs are awarded based on the number of times the ball hits the boundary ropes, with additional runs awarded if the ball passes over the boundary on the full. Section 5. More than a game, stories of triumph on the blind cricket pitch. Blind cricket is more than just a game. It's a platform for empowerment, a testament to the indomitable spirit of the human will. Let me introduce you to some remarkable individuals who embody the true meaning of blind cricket. Meet Bhaskar Patel, a blind cricket player from California. Bhaskar lost his sight at a young age, but his passion for cricket never faded. He discovered blind cricket and found a renewed sense of purpose. Bhaskar's story is one of resilience, determination, and the unwavering belief in one's abilities. Then there's Nadia Khan, a rising star in the world of blind cricket. Nadia was born with a visual impairment, but she never let it define her. She picked up a cricket bat at a young age and hasn't looked back since. Nadia's journey is an inspiration to young girls and boys, proving that anything is possible with hard work and dedication. These are just two of the many inspiring stories that emerge from the world of blind cricket. These athletes are not defined by their visual impairment, but by their unwavering spirit, their passion for the game, and their ability to overcome any obstacle. Section 6. Leveling the playing field. Blind cricket, a sport for all. Blind cricket isn't just for the visually impaired, it's a game for everyone. One of the beautiful aspects of blind cricket is its inclusivity. Sighted individuals are welcome to participate, donning blindfolds to experience the game from the perspective of their visually impaired teammates. This fosters empathy and understanding, breaking down barriers and promoting social inclusion. It's a powerful reminder that sport has the power to unite people from all walks of life. So, whether you're an experienced cricketer or a complete novice, I encourage you to learn more about blind cricket and find out how you can get involved. Support your local blind cricket team, spread the word about this amazing sport, and help us create a world where everyone, regardless of their abilities, can experience the joy and camaraderie of cricket.